Of course. For those of you who like power lights, there are your power lights. But I can turn them off with this little switch right here, see? There, they're off. You don't need them. I don't need them. Okay. My well-eaten tape. Been eating at so many machines is not funny, but anyway. Okay. Timber. Okay. That's empty as you can tell. Here's the LPC 109, brand new in the box. Been opened, but it's still brand new. I took pictures of it already elsewhere. Okay. And then this is for sale. That's for sale. For sale. For sale. Sold. For sale. For sale. For sale. Sale. Sold. For sale. For sale. For sale. For sale. For sale. And I'm giving that one to my brother. Thanks. Good day. Bye-bye.